What's up, guys? It's the Eagle. So today we are here at Fort Christmas Historical Park in Christmas, Florida. So I'm going to tell you about the park here in a little bit, but today's video is going to be me wanting to thank everybody because we just hit 100 subscribers. And as a thank you for everybody who supported me so far, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to do actually 2 giveaways. They're both for Epcot 35th anniversary merchandise. Both I was there, pass holder shirts. So each winner gets a shirt, and then I also have a pen with each, a limited edition pen, and then you're gonna get a button from the 35th, and I think I also have some of the souvenir maps from that. So I'm gonna do 2 of those. I'm gonna have the link below. So everybody enter, refer people. That way we can get more people on the channel there. And also, while we're here today, I'm going to show you around. Well, here we are. We're winding down our day at Fort Christmas Historical Park. We are on the porch of the Beehead Ranch House. This house was the first house that they brought in and restored before any of the other houses that you saw in this video. So, this one's even special too because I was here when they brought this in. This was actually originally on Beehead Ranch Road on the Tosahatchee Preserve, which is not that far from here. So come on out, check out these gorgeous historical houses, get a look at old, classic, Florida, like where, Florida's roots started for this state, because everybody always thinks of, like the theme parks, but there's a lot of history to Florida. The reason that this is called Fort Christmas is because there was a Seminole Indian War fought here on on Christmas Day. This is the replica of the fort is on, not that far actually also from the original location. The original location where the fort stood is like literally not even like a mile or two down the road. I know the people that own the property that have the original fort. They're also the same people that have the Christmas tree. This community, being Christmas, Florida, like I said, you can come out here, get a Christmas Florida postmark for your Christmas cards. So definitely if you're here in December, come out and get the postmark. And then also, you have Christmas stamps. And then there's a Christmas tree, a giant Christmas tree that they light the first Sunday of December. And it stays lit all through December, and it's pretty awesome. If you're here today, you could stop by, come in by at night, get a picture with the lit up Christmas tree. You can't miss it. It's right on Highway 50. So a lot of like I said, a lot of nostalgia, a lot of memories for out here. So I want to thank everybody who's supported me and helped me reach to 100, and here's to the next 1,000 and 100,000. Make sure you've clicked the bell for alerts. Share my channel with other people, put my videos on repeat, and just spread the word, and make sure you're also following on my other social media channels. Again, good luck everybody at the contest. We're gonna hopefully do some more giveaways, as the channel grows. So yeah, I hope everybody has a great day, and remember, have fun at work.